they will love this product. It's quick, it's good, it's new, it's interesting, it's alive. I want this here, and we've got it here. I can't wait to get this live.
So it's an absolute honor to be here at Madame Tussauds in London, UK, owned by Merlin Entertainments. It's a pleasure to be with Steve Croll. Steve, thank you.
Thank you
for everything that you've done so far. You're integrating 3D crystal technology here at Madame Tussauds. First and foremost, why? Why us? Why did you choose 3D crystal?
You know what? It's the speed of the system. It's the quality. It knocks spots off the old technology. We couldn't keep up with the old technology. Technology we had then couldn't accommodate our guests. It took 30 minutes. Our guests wouldn't wait 30 minutes. I didn't tell any of my bosses that this is what we wanted to do. We spoke and I said, look, can you make up 4 or 5 crystals that I can present to the SLT team? And from there, it flew. And here we are today.
Amazing. What is the reaction that you see of guests when they're looking at 3D crystal?
I've worked at Madame Tussauds for 35 years now, and you know what? They will love this product. It's new, it's interesting, it's alive. As soon as we set up this morning and we plugged it in and it came to life, I already knew the product and I loved it then. I love it even more now. Our guests won't be able to leave it alone, and that's good. That's great.
What is it about our technology that you've found unique and that has made you so confident to pursue?
This, a guest can get their mobile phone out. A guest does it. Guests love to take a product away. It's quick, it's good, but the guest does it. So you've got the interaction. It ticks the box for customer service. It ticks all the boxes. And 5 minutes later, 10 minutes later, the guest takes away a product. And that's great.
It's all about the experience, isn't it, right?
100%.
I'm going to encourage you guys. You know, the unique thing about Madame Tussauds is not only the fact that you were able to get your own photo, your own family photo in a crystal quick, but it's the fact that you can do it with a superstar, right? You can stand next to some of the most iconic, well-known people in the world, have that photo taken, and in moments have your family with that superstar. Can you maybe just talk a little bit about your experience with our company?
From the very first conversation we had, it was, your response to everything was, what can I do for you? How can I show you this product? We had in less than a week, the samples that I asked for were arrived on the doorstep. Every question I had, we had a UK, Canada time difference. For every question, we worked out a time difference. We were having Teams phone calls, we were having Zoom phone calls, and it was so much easier than just dealing with an email that might not have answered my question, so I had to go back with the same question again. Actually, just speaking face to face, we had multiple calls. Every question was answered, and that gave me the confidence to go to the SLT team and above and say, I want this here, and we've got it here.
Steve, you've got an amazing team. It's been an absolute pleasure working with each and every one of you.
It's great. I can't wait to get this live.
I'm super excited as well, and we're really looking forward to see you succeed to the next level here.
Massively. Thank you.
Steve Croll, thank you, with Madame Tussauds, Merlin Entertainments. Steve, thank you so much.
Come and get your glass cube.
Here at Madame Tussauds. Woo!